Yeah, so what's going on? What's going on? So I'm just sitting in the car, in the school line, waiting on my son to get out of school, and I was just thinking about something. Y'all, we gotta remember that every day isn't a trading day. Like, okay, we get up every morning, we show up, we do our analysis on the charts, and if we don't see a setup there, step away from your computer, step away from your phone, shut Trading View down. Because if not, you're going to sit there and you're going to stare at the charts until you somehow in your mind make yourself think that this this um this play that I'm looking at fits my trading plan when really it really don't. So we got to stop forcing trades and start taking those A plus setups. Not just say it, but actually start doing it. Because I've noticed, like on gold, let me show y'all. On gold, and this is the, let's see, ooh, I don't know. We're gonna hop on the chart so I can show y'all better, but just you can see that it's consolidating. That ain't nothing but straight consolidation, and this is the 4-hour time frame. So we really have to stop forcing trades. Stop thinking about the money. That's what it is. That's what it all boils down to. We come to the markets and we're thinking about how much money can we make today, instead of coming to the markets and having our mind, I'm only going to take an A plus setup that follows my trading plan. I'm going to stick to my rules. I'm going to be disciplined. I'm going to be patient. And that's what I've been doing. Like, I've really been sitting on my hands, and I see now that I've been taking less trades. Like, I may take 1 to 2 trades per week. And that's fine with me because now I'm eliminating all of those unnecessary losses that I was taking. So now that I'm being patient, waiting for the market to actually come to me, doing my top-down analysis and waiting for that perfect entry, get in, get out, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I like to trade, I like to ride with the trend. So if we're in the uptrend, I like to get in on the pullback and just ride it up. And vice versa with hopping in sales. But y'all, for real, we have to stop being impatient, and we have to just wait. Just got to be patient. Because if not, the market will humble you every single time. You ain't doing that. But us rushing into the market, we just telling the market, hey, I got $50 right here. Come on and get it. Come on and just take it from me. I got $100 right here. I got 200. Whatever you're risking, if you're not truly following your rules, your money is just up for grabs. You're just letting the market just take your money. Seriously. So it's okay to not trade sometimes. Like, especially now that we're, around the holidays. There's just, I've noticed, and I noticed this last year too and years before that, but I'm really just sitting back now and I'm like, the market, it changes. Like, it's not going to move the same way all year round. So now that we're in December, getting close to Christmas, there's low volume in the market. I've been seeing, especially with gold, like gold usually be breaking through, just having breakouts here and there and just trending. Right now it's just consolidating. There's really no movement like that for me to catch. Now some people, like if you're a scalper, you can catch some quick moves, but even on the 5-minute chart right now, gold is still consolidating. So that's, for me, it's just risky for me to try to catch something like that. So just sit on my hands. That's it. That's it. And I'm gonna hop on the charts. It's almost time for my son to get out of school. So when I get back to the house, I'm gonna hop on so I can show y'all exactly what I'm talking about with how gold is just consolidating. It's just, there hasn't been any plays really for me to take the past couple of days. And then the ones like earlier last week that I could have got in, that like gonna be low risk trades for me because I really don't like to trade in the consolidation. But when it was up there at that resistance and it dropped, I could have caught it, but I didn't. And then when it was down at the support last week and it went up for the could have got in for a buy, but I didn't. I'm trying my best to just really be disciplined and stick to my trading plan. And trading and consolidation is a no go for me in my trading plan. But if I do it, I do like a low risk, very low, like risking $50 or something like that. But all in all, let's stay disciplined. Let's follow our trading plan to the T now. Let's follow it. I'm still working on it myself. But we got this. We're gonna hop on them charts in a little bit. I'll catch y'all later.
Alright, y'all. So y'all can see what I was talking about. Why I haven't been trading for the past couple of days. Now we're on the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, I'm just paying attention to this right here. You see, we had made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now I'm waiting to see if we're gonna make a higher low or if we're gonna just come and break and continue with the bullish momentum to come back up to this high. I have my alert set. You see this consolidation. We can actually make this a little bigger. Now this would be my no trade zone right here. Some people, still trade. If I do trade, I try my best not to. I'll use low risk, saying, okay, if I feel like if we get in rejection here, just like here, it's gonna come back up to here and just keep bouncing back and forth until we get that final breakout, retest, boom, or we break out here, retest, and back down to this level. So, but trading and consolidation is not in my plan. It's not in my plan at all. Nothing but consolidation right there. This would be a no trade zone for me. So that's why I haven't been trading the past couple of days. Let me move this so I can drop down to a lower time frame just so you can see. Like on a 1 hour. It's just, if I was trying to place a trade today, what's today, the 8th? That was at 8 this morning. Like it's just nothing here for me at all. So I'm just leaving it alone. I have my alert set, both here, and I'm just waiting for a breakout. But since I'm not trading gold, hold on, let me see. Now, say you wanted to catch this, because I know some people still been trading, still been catching moves, been scalping on the lower time frames, but just put your stop loss below those wicks. But I don't know. I'm gonna leave gold alone for now. Let's say this is not in my trading plan, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. But I just placed the call on Apple. And this one, all price action. Let me show y'all. So I had caught this move. I had a call, I believe this was last week. Yeah, sometime last week, I had a call. It hit TP, and I did not hold it the whole time. I'm upset about that, but I've learned from it. I just recently started trading options. I had got in here and got out like y'all right here. I got out like right here, and that was almost like a $200 play. But if I would have held that, oh my goodness. But anyways, so look, Apple has been in a serious uptrend, just bouncing off this trend line. It's in a channel right now. It's just bouncing off the trend line, bouncing off. So when we got here, I had an alert set here. My alert went off today, and I saw that we made a support as well. That's another confluence. So we came here, and we have a support right here. So I'm just, my target is back up to this level. Now it could possibly go higher before it, comes back down again to the trend line. It's gonna keep bouncing in between here until it eventually break. But that's what I have so far. Yeah, that's it on Apple. So we're gonna see, and I'm holding this until the 19th of December. So we're gonna see how that one play out next Friday. But that's about it, y'all. If you trade in gold, just be careful. It's the end of the year. Gold start moving a little crazy. It doesn't have as much volume. Like, it really didn't move today at all. Like, just dropping down. Look at this. Let me see. Like 10 o'clock, we got this breakout of here, and that was it. Like, we just been consolidating. So there's no reason. Look at this. There's no reason for me to be in this market right now. Some people might be trying to catch this little small move up, small move down. I'm not doing it. I like to catch big moves. Like, for example, like here, when we was consolidating in here, we finally got that break out of here. We got a retest, and we continued up. That's what I'm looking for. That's the moves I'm looking for. I'm not looking for those tiny, just back and forth. No. Like this one. Consolidate. We broke out. We got a retest. Back up. Like, just long plays. Even though I don't be holding them for that long, I'm working on holding my trades longer, because I just be I really be killing myself when it comes to holding getting out of my trades too early. So yeah, but that's it. I'm just waiting for a breakout. I'm waiting for that breakout. Now, here, I'm waiting for a breakout. And that's it. Like, just stay disciplined. Stay patient. When you come to the market, just focus on, is this setup right here, does it align with my trading plan? If it doesn't align with your trading plan, just step back. Sit on your hands, no trade for the day. If it's for the whole week, so be it. No trade for the whole week, like I was explaining before. Like, it's okay. And I'm learning to really follow that, to really be disciplined when I say, if it doesn't fit my trading plan, I don't care what nobody else is doing. They could be buying gold right now, could be selling gold right now. If what I'm looking at, if it doesn't align with my trading plan, with my rules, I'm just not going to take it. Because every time I break my rules, I take an L. So let's just protect my capital, and we're going to wait till the market start back moving how I want it, what fits my trading plan. When it starts trending again, there we go. When it starts back trending, then that's when I'll look to get back into gold. But say right now, it's just, and then look, let's see what the dollar doing as well. See, the dollar has come, and I didn't look at the news today to see what's going on with the news, but the dollar was dropping, but we're back at a level of support. So we gonna see. We just gonna see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all make sure you stay disciplined, stay patient, follow your trading plan. I'll definitely see y'all at the top.